I had anomalous coronary artery, which is pretty much a life-threatening heart condition that, yeah, you can die if you don't get it fixed.
I had an anomalous coronary artery. I got lucky, I got luckier than some people did.
I was really kind of scared, like, am I still gonna be okay? Like, is everything gonna be okay? And that just kind of helped me, like, put it in the past and, like, give me kind of hope that everything is gonna be okay.
And it made me realize, like, how grateful and maybe, like, thankful to, like, still be alive and everything. And just, it's made me a better person, happier, and just try to live life to its fullest and everything.
People should give the Make-A-Wish Foundation because it gives kids hope. And hope is more powerful than anything else because doctors can, like, cure your body, but they cannot cure, like, your trauma that you're going through. And getting that wish just, like, kind of helps you, like, it's a relief.
It's touching, like, lots of families and helping kids, and it's helping them cope with their illness and making them happy.